When you're getting ready to move, what's the first thing you usually do? You go out and buy boxes. Then you need packing tape, maybe some packing materials. And after everything is packed, you still have to deal with shipping labels. None of these things seems difficult on its own. But when you're already preparing for a move, they take more time than you might expect. That's why I started my move differently. With a UC moving kit, the basic packing supplies I needed were delivered directly to me. It included moving boxes, packing tape, pre-printed shipping labels, label pouches, and UC moving identification labels. I didn't have to go from store to store looking for supplies. And because the shipping labels were already printed, I didn't need a printer at home. Once my moving kit arrived, I could start packing. The box itself matters, too. The standard UC moving box measures 18 by 18 by 18 inches and uses a 275 DW double wall construction. A stronger box can provide better support during moving and transportation than a typical thin box. But a strong box doesn't replace proper packing. I still make sure to tape both the bottom and top securely using an H-taping method and properly organize everything inside. One small thing that can become surprisingly inconvenient during a move is printing shipping labels. If you don't have a printer at home, even printing one label can mean another trip. The moving kit includes printed labels and protective label pouches. So once the box is packed, I can attach the label and continue preparing it for shipment. But here's something important. Not every item needs the same level of packing. If I'm mainly packing clothes, books, and everyday household items, the standard moving kit may be enough for my needs. But if I have items that need additional cushioning, or I'm preparing my belongings for longer-term storage, that's when I may consider Moving Kit Plus. Moving Kit Plus starts with the basic moving kit and adds materials for more detailed internal packing. Paper sheets and bubble wrap can help cushion items and reduce empty space inside the box. An inner plastic bag and silica gel can help protect belongings from moisture during storage. Additional battery and handling labels, along with cable ties, are also included. The goal isn't to make a box indestructible. It's to give you more options when your belongings need additional packing protection. So which one should you choose? If most of your belongings are clothes, books, and everyday items, start with the standard moving kit. If your belongings need additional cushioning or moisture protection, or you're preparing for longer-term storage, consider Moving Kit Plus. Plus isn't automatically better for everyone. Choose based on what you're packing and how your belongings will be stored or moved. Once everything is packed, you can choose the sending option that works for your situation. You can take your boxes to a FedEx office location with drop-off. You can choose a standard pickup. Or, if you have several boxes or it's difficult to carry them outside yourself, Premium Indoor Pickup allows the crew to come inside and collect your packed belongings. You can choose the option that fits your move. A moving kit isn't only for one type of move. It can be part of preparing for a move back to Korea, an interstate move within the United States, or a storage move when your next address isn't ready yet. Different destinations, different schedules, but they all start with packing. Getting ready to move doesn't have to start with another trip to buy boxes and packing supplies. Start with the supplies you need at home. Choose the standard moving kit for everyday belongings, or Moving Kit Plus when you need additional packing protection. Whether you're preparing for interstate moving, storage, or a move back to Korea, it all starts with packing. UC Moving. Move smarter from the start.